Hello everyone, this is Anya Deck of Toes and welcome to the second quick video for this week. I unexpectedly got my SephoraPlay box and I don't know, I think I got my times confused. So anyways, I decided since the first video for this week was so short, I am going to add another one for this week. So consider this a little bonus. Now, just so you know, please forgive me if you hear any noise. There's like people mowing grass outside and also people inside my house, and so craziness. Anyways, we're just gonna hop right into the box. So enjoy watching. Alright, so here is our box. This time it's orange. So let's take everything out and show you what we got. First of all, we have this sheet with some stickers on it. And here is our little flyer for this month. And all the items in there. So I'm going to start off with this. This is from, I will put the name on the screen for you. It is a little bottle of Urban Environment Oil-Free UV Protector Broad Spectrum Face Sunscreen SPF 42. Now, I have not yet used it, so I just want to open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, it's very watery. So I definitely spilled out way more than I thought. It is definitely oil-free. It does not feel oily on the skin. So that is good. I think that it will work great. And summer's coming, so sunscreen is very important. Next, we have this item. This is from Origins. It's Dr. Andrew Weil of Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilient Soothing Treatment Lotion. And it is supposed to reduce the look of redness. And I have tried it. It is literally very, very watery. So watch out when you spill this out. You are supposed to shake it well. And I've used it yesterday and this morning. It feels good on the skin. And I think it did reduce my redness a little bit, but obviously I feel like the more you use it, the better it would work. Next up is this Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm, I think it's called. And it is obviously an eye cream. And it is very moisturizing. And I like that it didn't give me any tingling sensation. Some of the eye moisturizers that I have used in the past do burn my skin under eyes a little bit. So this is definitely very gentle. It smells nice. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. And I have enjoyed using this. I did think this was quite a big container for an eye cream. But as you can see, it's mostly empty on the inside, on the bottom. And then we have 3 makeup products. The first one is from Benefit. It's the They Are Real mascara. And I just want to show you what the one looks like. It's a silicone brush. So there's the brush for you. And I did want to show you how it looks on the eyes. I am wearing it. You saw it at the beginning of this video. And you'll see it again at the end. But I will show you the application of it right here. Next, this is probably my favorite product that came in the box. It is the Bare Minerals Mineralist. It's a lipstick. It is in the shade Honesty. And this stuff smells really good. You will see in a second of me applying this on my actual lips, but I did want to show you it on the inside. There you go. And I do want to swatch it on top of my foot just so you see what that looks like. First of all, this shade is looking gorgeous. Look at it. I really, really love this color. And the smell of this. And it feels really good on the lips. So, thumbs up for this one. And the last one is these sample size Kat Von D cream lipsticks. And I do want to show you swatches. You will see me using this middle shade, but I do want to swatch all of them on the top of my foot just so that you see what they look like, because this bottom shade right there looks very, very dark inside the container. Okay, so I have my lip brush right here, and I'm going to start with swatching the bottom one. I mean, it's dark, but it's definitely not as dark as it is inside of this. Then we're going to swatch the second shade, which is that middle one. This is more of a mauve, dusty color, which is my favorite out of them all. And the last one we're going to swatch is this red. It's sort of a rosy reddish color. They do feel nice on the lips. They go on really nicely. So there's that last product for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I sure enjoyed getting the box this month. As far as I know, this is the last SephoraPlay box as we know it. I think I got an email a while ago that the April box is going to be the last one. Then they're making some changes, which I didn't really look into it yet. But don't worry, I do have a different box coming for those of you who do enjoy watching my unboxings, and I am surely excited to try something new and different also. But thanks again for all your support, and I will see you again next week. Bye.